How to set up lock screen on your smartphone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also looking to set up lock screen on a smartphone, so first thing, just head over to settings of your device, respective device. So once you're inside here, finally click on this option called lock screen. You can also simply search in for that particular option by simply tapping on the search. So since I found it, I'll just click on it, lock screen. So from over here you can see you can set up your lock screen type like a pattern or face or fingerprint. So since I've already done all of that, I will simply just show you from over here. As you can see, you can register your face, fingerprint, and you can also use a swipe factor or password or pin or even a pattern, which I'm currently using. So once you set up that, you can also extend your own lock, or you can also secure your lock settings from over here by simply coming over to this. And let me just quickly open it, and you can simply enable or disable these are such options according to your choice. So you can also edit widgets. You can also click on get info about lock screen of your device. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.